What's going on, guys? We are out here at Big Ridge. I got Connor right here. He's ready.
Yeah.
He's ready. And we are going herping. Connor's quiet.
Yep.
To make it uncomfortable?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
No? No? Alright, guys. Oh. Okay. What we have right here? It's a little toad. Oh. Little toad. Connor wanted to see one of these guys, so sure enough, a few seconds onto the trail and we got it. Now these guys' defense is to pee, which he hasn't done yet. Oh, there it is. There's all the pee. I'm gonna soak you in your own pee, dude. You look so grumpy. Alright, buddy, we'll let you go. Go on, hop. There you go. They're so funny when they hop. Sitting here talking to Connor. Oh, he's such a cutie. He is so cute. He's so bright. I was talking to Connor and he bends down. He's like, I got one. Toad. So, man, this place is just full of toads. It's ridiculous. I wonder how many more we're going to find. It's going to be like a toad-filled vlog.
Oh, it's heard something.
Yeah, we'll let him...
He let himself go.
He let himself go.
Go on, buddy.
Don't hop towards me, dude. Where'd he go?
He's over there.
Oh. See you, dude.
I think this one's a different breed.
It might be. It's either American or Fowler's.
He's already peeing on me. Come here. Jesus.
Hold on to him. Don't let him.
Oh. Seems little people.
I think it's good to let him go.
Yeah, just let him. He's quick.
That's how you hold a frog there, buddy. It's not that hard.
You can keep that pee.
Oh, thank you. All right, buddy. There you go. Sorry you did it to yourself. All right, guys. If you look right here, got a little 5-line skink. Cooling off because it is hot as balls. We hiked all that way and we just found those frogs and that skink. So now we're gonna road cruise, flip some shell. You guys can barely make it out. That's the broadhead skink right there. It's just kind of cruising and chilling out. He's hiding himself pretty well. You can see his feet right there though. I'm gonna see if I can get a lower angle and get his head. There he is. That's a male. Where'd he go? Oh, I guess he's gone. Still pretty cool. Connor found himself a ringneck. Pretty little dude.
Stinks.
Yeah, it does stink. It smells really bad.
Come on, little guy. Show your face for the camera.
Oh, he will. Yeah, he's a cutie. He's like, what's going on? Real bright colors underneath. He is gorgeous. Nice. He's just staring at the camera like, what is going on? Heck yeah. I reckon just let him up there.
Take a picture of him.
Oh yeah. Alright, let him go.
Come on, little buddy. There you go.
Heck yeah. Now we need a worm snake. Things we do for herps. Nothing?
That's a waste. How the fuck am I supposed to get back down?
I don't know.
I'll tell you back down.
You forgot one. You gotta get a live flip on film.
Did what?
We got a live flip on film at least. A way to destroy that.
God.
Found ourselves another ring neck. We're flipping over in here and lifted it up, and sure enough, he's going crazy.
Little baby.
Little baby. I guess hold on to him until we're done. Oh yeah. Alright. Now we can let him go.
See where he wants to go. Probably back up where he was.
Probably. Get your bag out of the road. Cool. Alright, so right here we got this prime spot. It's great for potential copperheads to be under some of these rocks. So, only one thing to do. Jump down there. This is where upper body strength comes in handy. Also, I have not checked any of these crevices where my feet are going, if there are snakes there. So, live life on the edge, right? Thank God that's solid. Also don't have my snake stick with me, so if there is one under here, son. Nope. Thank God, because I would have had to hold that rock and you would have had to figure out a way to get down here. It's the road that we were on, and we noticed this trail, so we came down here. There's the lake, and we've never seen this trail. Didn't even know it was here, right next to the road. So I guess we're gonna walk it and see what it, dude. There's a trail that leads down to the water. Oh, we might find some northern spaskin out there. Let's go check this out. He will calm down here a little bit, just takes him a minute. But I do want to show you guys this beautiful animal.